Oh my god! Oh my god! Babe! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh god, babe, that's so gross. You should be wearing gloves. Ew.
Oh my god. There's so much pressure.
You leave that up first. Don't squeeze it. Oh. You want me to squeeze it?
Mm-mm. Oh, yeah, unreal.
Ew. It's so weird looking.
Babe, stop. Are you serious? It has got me. Oh my god, I can't believe it happened. Recorded. It happened. It got me. That is fucking ridiculous. So much came out. Where did it shoot?
Everywhere. Babe, it went behind you. I'll clean it up later. Oh, I'm gonna throw up. Just do this, please.
There's just so much
Oh
in
my
there.
god, I'm scared to stand close now. Oh my god, yeah, aim it away from me. Oh my god. That was so gross.
This is ridiculous.
It's already gone down a little bit, I think.
So sensitive.
That looks like the...
That's ridiculous.
That looks like
Oh,
the
babe.
tip that they start.
Hey,
What? No,
it's
what?
sensitive.
Oh. You're not getting under it, babe. You're like squeezing the top of it.
You have no idea how
Like,
tight this is.
Okay, well you need to be squeezing from the sides. Don't trick me.
It's sensitive. I'm still feel like it's not completely ready.
Yeah, it is. Look, see, that's what they were grabbing.
Alright, hold on. It's still like coming out.
Yeah. It's gonna keep coming out.
Wait.
You wanted to do this tonight.
I feel like it would have popped in my sleeve if I didn't.
You grab it with that, like, blunt edge. No, flip it over.
Like that?
Yeah. And grab it. Okay, I'll squeeze a little bit.
It's so sensitive.
It's because it's infected, babe. It hurts so bad.
Just really sensitive skin.
Oh my god. Hard white shit's coming out, babe. Oh, shut up. Ew. hold it while you...
Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's so gross.
This is insane. I think I broke the record for the pus. Like, seriously. How is this possible?
My God. I don't know. It's so gross.
This is horrible. It's like a horror film.
I'm surprised I haven't puked. We're passed out.
I'm sweating.
I bet.
It's like operation on my arm. Down. Oh my. Get close. You should get close up on that.
Ew. That is disgusting.
That.
Ew.
Oh my god.
That came out of your arm, babe. Ew. Oh my god.
Like, that's just. That was like the second one that shot out too.
Ew.
That
Oh,
was
baby, you have it on the
insane.
top of your hand.
That was insane.
Oh, ew. Oh my god. Ew.
So much is coming out.
Babe, this is fucking just disgusting.
More than the videos, huh?
Yeah, yours is like, ew. Yeah, squeeze slower. Oh my god, it's like volcanoing out. It really was like a volcano ready to blow.
Imagine if we thought of one more day, we'd just been.
Ew, it probably would have shot everywhere the whole time.
If we that happened in bed, it would have been the biggest mess ever.
Ew. Ew.
It's ridiculously draining.
You would like put your arm around me and pop it in my face. So
That like blew my mind.
that is the most disgusting thing I've ever witnessed. Like, oh my god. It doesn't stop. Oh my god, look how much it's gone down now.
This whole area was
You have like
infected.
permanent indentions in your arm, babe. What the hell?
Stop.
See what I mean? By you going on top of it, it's like
Hey,
all of
stop.
that needs to go to the top, babe.
I know.
Oh.
She got so infected. That's
I wonder why it hurt. That's probably like poisoning your body. Oh
I can't believe I got shot in the face.
I can't believe that either. It was disgusting. You're lucky that I didn't do that the second time.
That was insane. It was scary, you know.
Ew. Oh, God, it's just so gross.
Oh man, I can't believe this.
I get quite a few views on YouTube for this one. It's gross. Ew. Oh my god.
Can you see the pieces coming out,
Yeah.
huh?
Ew. I think it's worse watching it through the camcorder.
Dude,
You don't even know.
you don't even want to know what happened, bro. Wait until you see the video. Did anyone get on my phone? What up, dude?
No. Nothing though.
Yeah.
Oh. Ew!
Babe.
Okay. I'm wearing gloves and don't touch them. Why is it all blurry?